At Dodge, we integrate environmental and STEM education. It's a natural connection. In the outdoor classroom, science, technology, math, and engineering come alive. It's thanks to donors like you that Dodge has developed the highest quality and in-demand eSTEM field trips in the Twin Cities. Classes cover more than 40 topics and are offered in every season. The curriculum is designed to meet Minnesota's K-12 science standards and support what classroom educators teach within school buildings. In the outdoor classroom at Dodge, we leave behind screens, desks, and sitting still. But we still engage with technology, wind turbines, solar panels, even Stone Age technology like atlatls. Abstract scientific concepts come alive when students have natural physical objects to touch, move, and manipulate. Dodge has a long and strong relationship with School District 197 in West St. Paul, Mendota Heights, and Eagan. Every elementary student in the district travels to Dodge every season for a field trip. A defining aspect of the relationship is Garlow Environmental Magnet School, which serves 400 students, kindergarten through 4th grade. Thanks to the shared vision of the school district and Dodge, for the last 18 years, every student, every week, learned and explored outdoors with the Dodge naturalist. Principal Sue Powell has been our partner in eSTEM education since the very beginning.
Hi, I'm Sue Powell, principal at Garlow Environmental Magnet School, and I've been here for 18 years. I came to District 197 when the opportunity to start an environmental magnet school came to my attention, and I was drawn to the community's passion for environmental education and their support of Dodge, and how we could build that partnership and increase the love of nature and appreciation for nature and animals in our students.
For the first 10 years of this partnership, it was my joy to teach and take to the trails with Garlow students. Now that joy is Jeff Boland's.
The outdoor classroom is very important because nature is inherently interesting. Almost everybody is interested in nature, especially if you address all their comfort needs. Science outside happens in real time. They're seeing things firsthand, it's hands-on, it's not on a screen. Naturalist time is a chance to get a break from screens, which I think most people think is a good thing, and it's not learning from other people doing science, it's learning from them doing science themselves.
I'm here at our Shepherd Farm property in Cottage Grove. On these 140 acres of woods, farmland, prairie, and historic buildings, we're expanding eSTEM opportunities in Washington County. 2 years ago, naturalist Mary Dibvig identified an unmet community need and an exciting new opportunity to provide eSTEM education. She knew the research shows girls begin to lose interest in science in middle school, and their interest does not rebound. Mary knew women are underrepresented in STEM careers and what a difference role models can make. Here's Mary to tell you more about how she built and expanded the Girls Explore Science program.
I'm the creator of the Girls Explore Science program, which is one of my absolute favorite things about my job. Girls Explore Science is a program that serves girls in 5th through 8th grade. And it started as an after-school program during the pandemic, but it has now grown into a summer program. So this year we are doing a 4-day, all-day summer camp with Girls Explore Science. What I would really like for my girls to see in me as a role model is somebody who is a female embodied person out in nature exploring science, and that it's something that they can do too. I want them to see it as something that's very possible for them. I'd love for them to be interested in doing science outdoors, or what I would really love to see is for them to become some leaders in activism for things like action on climate or conservation in other ways. And so I know that there are some future leaders in this program, and I'm excited to see where they end up.
Environmental science career opportunities are expected to grow by leaps and bounds in the coming years. Building young people's environmental literacy prepares them for their futures and equips them to take action on climate change. But whether a young person grows up to pursue an eSTEM career or not, we know this type of learning has broad benefits. eSTEM education activates children's curiosity. We see that in every field trip, every day camp, and every trek down the trails of Dodge. With your donation tonight, you shepherd young people into the outdoor classroom at Dodge Nature Center and Preschool. You put the tools in their hands. You give them the opportunity to ask questions and make observations in the natural world. You say yes to the possibilities and potential of science, outside, in every season.